Hey guys, it's Em
and Mike
with Em and the Gang, and today we are going to be reviewing the Surviveware First Aid Kit. We did get this kit in the mail. Surviveware contacted us to do a review, and so today we're going to take a look at it and see what we think about it. So today we are going to review the Surviveware First Aid Kit. And first things first, let's look at the outside.
Well, first off, it's nice and bright. It's got a it's kind of a really thick nylon canvas, so it feels tough. It's got it's got a spot where you could loop it. It's got a handle. It's got nice zippers with pulls on them.
They look like really good quality zippers too.
Yeah, everything about it looks very, very tough. I like this too. On the back, you can put a belt through, or you could strap it on. If you already had something you wanted to put through it, it's got snaps.
Turn it that way.
It's got snaps here, so you could actually snap this onto.
Here, I'll hold it up a little closer. So you can snap onto a loop of some sort, or you could Velcro onto a loop of some sort.
A lot of ways to carry it with you. Then on the front, it's got a little zipper, which is really neat. They thought about this ahead of time. They have little bags
for personal medications. So you can go ahead and bring your own personal medicine in these little bags, and they have a special spot for that.
Then on the inside, a lot of goodies. It looks nice and organized, you can see.
And everything's labeled really well.
Mm-hmm.
So you have adhesive dressings, which are basically Band-Aids. And they give you a good number of Band-Aids. They're just a regular size. Looks like a regular size Band-Aid. What else is in here?
Hypoallergenic tape.
Okay, so some like first aid tape. So there's a CPR kit, and it comes in a little baggie, and inside the baggie is actual instructions for CPR. So that's really awesome.
I'm really interested in the mouth-to-mouth part.
I am CPR certified. Mike, are you CPR certified? And so that's good to have a kit that you can use anytime you need to. And they even have child CPR and adult CPR in this kit. And if you wanted, you could just carry this kit separately, like on a keychain. They have a loop, and they also have a like a strap, so you could strap it on to something. That's really cool.
So it goes here. Right next to that, they have a bunch of safety pins.
Oh, those are always good to have.
Yeah, especially for some bandages. And they have, it's actually labeled as Shears, but they've got a nice medical Shears package in here. There's a nice set of big tweezers. Careful, the little nylon rubber band will come off.
A rubber band, so you can keep them closed.
And next to that is splinter probe.
Splinter probes. So these look like, if you look really closely, this looks like a needle with a little handle on it. That is a really useful thing.
It is good because I use those all the time when I have splinters. Or the spine of the kit is, there, I'll hold it, you pull stuff up.
Okay. Oh, there's some Q-tips and an emergency whistle.
And
oh, this is a tourniquet. What else do we have, Mike?
well, over here on this side, there's a bunch of different sections. There's a triangular bandage and an emergency blanket in this section. There is the large triangular bandage. And here's one of those thermal thin emergency blankets.
That's nice to have.
That's the back section.
And in the middle, there are other wound closures. And it's nice because it gives you the instructions on how to use them. They're large bandages.
Mm-hmm.
They look like really big Band-Aids, and like butterfly Band-Aids, stuff like that.
The next section down is cotton gauze swabs and iPads.
Cotton gauze swabs and iPads. Those are nice to have in case you need them. I like how everything's labeled.
It's labeled nice. It's all in individual bags, so it won't get wet.
Yeah, it's not gonna. If you get wet, your stuff isn't necessarily gonna get ruined. So
Everything that you shouldn't get wet is in its own little pack.
What else is there? This looks like. Hold on, I'm gonna take that out.
Okay. Skin cleaning wipes.
There are some sting relief pads and antiseptic towelettes. So, like to clean wounds.
Mm-hmm.
And then this outside pocket has what's called, it says pressure bandages, wound sprains, and snake bites. So in that is a conforming bandage and what I would call like
an ace bandage.
An ace bandage, but it's a pressure bandage.
It's a generic brand.
It's just a generic brand ace bandage.
Which is what I think these safety pins are for.
Yeah, because you can't close this without a special clip of some sort. And it's pretty nice. They include this card, which tells you all the different things that are inside the first aid kit. And on the back of the card is a coupon, and it's one purchase per person. And I'll make sure that the discount information is in the description below. So that's pretty nice kit overall. Is there anything else we need to note about it?
No, I mean but it's light. It only weighs, what would you say, maybe a pound?
Yeah.
Pound and a half?
Maybe a pound and a half. I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty nice. The zippers seem nice and sturdy. The whole pack seems nice and sturdy. Now, I mean, this might be a little bigger than what I would want to take with me most of the time, but
I would not want to pack that into a bag.
No, but keeping this in the camper would be good,
well,
right?
But the fact that it would strap on the outside of the bag, though, and not take up space inside,
True,
is not so bad, because then it could be right here on your shoulder strap on a backpack.
And it's highly visible, so that's nice. Really cool product, I think.
I like it.
I mean, I like it, yeah. And so we will have one of these to give away. If you would like to get one of these from us, just leave a comment, and what we'll do is we'll just pull a random number from the comment section and give one of these away.
So if we have 50 comments, we'll do numbers 1 through 50 and pull one?
Yeah.
I like it.
I mean, that's the easiest way, I think.
It's way better. I was going to do rock, paper, scissors, but...
With who? Like a video?
That's what I mean. It'd be hard to do. So...
No, we'll just do a random number.
Much better.
Okay. So if you'd like to win one of these, just go ahead and comment that you want to be in for the drawing, and we'll let you know. We'll probably give it about a week for entries, and of course you can share this, and if people want to say I'm entering for so-and-so, you can do that too. That way you get more than one entry.
Is that cheating?
No, that's not cheating.
Okay.
So anyway, if you'd like to win one, leave a comment, share, get people to come and comment for you, and see if you can win one too. These are pretty nice.
Well, sometimes I go hiking and you're not with me. Could I enter?
No.
Worth a try. So this has been Mike
And M,
with M and the gang.
get your family outdoors.
After you like and subscribe and stuff.
Oh yeah, after you like and subscribe and stuff.
And ring a bell.
Ring the bell.
Bye.
Bye.